Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Daca Timberworks. How y'all doing? Well, Sunday morning. I don't have any turning footage for you guys. Sorry. We're in the middle of this move. We're here in Texas, though. Here we are at the new Apodaca Homestead. So, goodbye, Michigan. Hello, Texas. We're out here in Joshua, Texas. We've got just shy of 3 acres. Here's our pasture back here. Property came with a mini donkey and 2 goats. Isn't that cool? Well, they don't really know us yet, but we have been able to pet Daisy the donkey. And Cody the lab is extremely jealous. So we'll go ahead and just show you the property a little bit. We got a barn here, and the animals can come and go as they please out to the pasture and then come back into the barn. We got some storage areas here. Here's the shop. This is where Daca Timberworks is going to be. So we've got a nice shaded patio out on the shop. This is probably where all the smokers are going to go, and a bunch of firewood. All right, here's the front of the shop. It's got a nice roll-up door, so we'll be able to get the lathe in here, no problem. We got some nice trees and some shaded area out front. Nice carport. The property actually came with a cool, we've got dual RV setup, so you can have 2 RVs here with full hookups. That's pretty cool, right? For visitors and family. In the shop, we're insulated, and it's cool in here right now. You know, it's probably 85 degrees outside right now. It feels 70 in here. It's got lights, it's got a full bathroom. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put the lathe. We got to get 220 hooked up in here first. So moving forward here until we get 220 hooked up, we might bring back the old Raycon and get some turning done and some footage done, because we need to get some bulls out that we can give to friends and family and take to market. So I've got a bunch of roughed out bulls that we could use this smaller lathe on the 120 electrical until we can get the one-way hooked up. These are nice big trees. They look kind of like mulberry. I'm not sure. Here's kind of where we're at.
Oh no.
And why we don't have any turning footage. So, but there's my big smoker. Don't think that no wood didn't come down with me from Michigan. Here's some nice figured maple, some of that 280-year-old white oak, all kinds of fun stuff. My refrigerator kiln is full of wood. So we've got some stuff. We've got some projects to do. A bunch of blanks did make it down with me. I've got some walnut, some oak, some maple over there. Well, yeah, but the house is in 2 pods right now. We got to get it indoors. So, y'all saw the house. We got some nice pecan trees out in front. So, yeah, it'll be fun. And hopefully we get on track back with Daca Timberworks and doing some wood turning for y'all here within the next week or 2. All right, thanks, friends. We'll catch you next time.